How do you send your first product to Amazon FBA facility?
Did you know that 94% of Amazon sellers prefer fulfilling orders through Amazon FBA? It's no surprise considering the benefits it offers. Welcome to Seller Universe, your all-in-one platform for online selling success. Today we're going to talk about how to send your first product to the Amazon FBA facility. Whether you're new to selling on Amazon or just want to make sure you're doing it right, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. So without further ado, let's get started.
Why choose Amazon FBA? When it comes to selling products on Amazon, you have two options for order fulfillment. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA and fulfillment by Merchant FBM. But why should you choose FBA? Let's find out. There are several advantages of using Amazon FBA over FBM. Let's take a look at some of them. Advantage 1, fast shipping.
With FBA, your products can reach your prime customers' doorsteps in just 2 to 3 days, compared to a week or longer if you handle shipping yourself or use a third-party logistics provider. This fast shipping ensures happy customers and boosts your sales.
Advantage 2, scalability.
One of the great things about FBA is that you have access to Amazon's vast storage facilities. This means you can store more products than you could ever fit in your home or small warehouse. With the ability to scale your business without worrying about storage limitations, you can focus on growing your sales.
Advantage 3, hassle-free returns.
Dealing with returns and refund requests can be time-consuming and frustrating, but with FBA, Amazon takes care of all that for you. They handle the returns process, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience for both you and your customers. This saves you time and prevents delays that could lead to unhappy customers.
Advantage 4, cost savings.
When it comes to shipping costs, FBA has a clear advantage. Amazon has secured significant discounts with shipping carriers, which means you can enjoy lower shipping costs, or even free shipping for some products. This cost savings adds up and allows you to offer competitive prices to your customers.
Advantage 5, customer service.
Providing excellent customer service is crucial for any successful business. With FBA, Amazon takes care of customer service on your behalf. They handle inquiries, feedback, and any issues that may arise, ensuring positive customer engagement and saving you time to focus on other aspects of your business.
A step-by-step guide to sending your first product to Amazon FBA facility. Before you can send your product to Amazon FBA, there are a few things you need to do. First, make sure you have a verified Amazon seller account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create one on the Amazon website. Then, gather the necessary documents, such as a valid ID, bank statement, and contact details, to speed up the processing. Once you have everything ready, it's time to list your product on Amazon. Go to your account page, click on the menu, then select Catalog and Add Products. Remember, Amazon doesn't allow duplicate listings, so if your product already exists on the platform, find it using its ASIN, UPC, EAN, or ISBN and add it to your inventory. Now that we understand the benefits of Amazon FBA, let's dive into the step-by-step process of sending your first product to the Amazon FBA facility. This can be done in 3 simple steps. Step 1, prepare your shipment.
Go to the menu again and click on Inventory. Select the product you wish to send and click on the Edit button. From there, choose the Print Item Labels option and specify the number of units you'll be sending. In this case, put 1. Next, choose a template for your label and click Print. Download the template and print it on a sticker. Peel off the label and stick it on top of the existing barcode on your product. If you're sending multiple items, make sure each item has its new barcode. After labeling your product, select an appropriate box for shipping. Remember that the box should be smaller than 63.5 centimeters on each side. Seal the box with tape and measure its dimensions and weight. You'll need this information for the next step.
Step 2, create a shipping plan.
Once your shipment is prepared, it's time to create a shipping plan. Go back to the inventory section and click on Edit for the selected product. This time, choose the Send, Replenish Inventory option. This step is where you'll prepare the box and make arrangements for your shipment. Amazon provides 3 precise but easy-to-understand instructions to guide you through the process. First, choose the product you want to send. Since you're creating a shipping plan for the first time, enter the address where you want Amazon to pick up your product. It could be your home address or the supplier's address. Then, enter the number of units and follow Amazon's instructions on packaging and labeling your product. Next, click on Pack Individual Units and enter the box details including the product's weight and dimensions. Choose Everything will fit into one box if you're sending only one unit. If your box weighs more than 15 kilograms, it must have a warning label that says, Heavy Package. Print 6 copies of the label and stick them on all sides of the box. Keeping each package below 22 kilograms is safer. Second, confirm your shipping information. It's time to confirm your shipping information. Choose a shipping date, a shipment method, and a carrier. For small parcels like yours, select Small Parcel Delivery, SPD, as the shipment method. The default carrier option is UPS, which is a great choice if you're shipping within the US. Third, print the label on the box. Follow Amazon's formatting guidelines and choose the size that fits your box. Print it on the sticker you purchased or designed. Here's a tip. Tick the label on the sides of the box, not on top, to prevent damage during shipment. Avoid placing it along the fold to ensure easy scanning of the barcode by Amazon.
Step 3. Schedule your shipment for collection. After you've prepared your package, it's time to get it moving.
On the same page, you'll find the tracking details. Look for the table that shows your package's FBA box label number and tracking ID. Copy that tracking ID number. Now head over to ups.com and click on Shipping. You'll be directed to a page where you can schedule your shipment for collection. Look for the option to schedule a collection and click on it. Fill out the form with the necessary information. Remember to paste the tracking ID number you copied earlier on the box. This helps ensure a smooth pickup process. Once you've filled out the form, click Next and then Confirm. And just like that, your product is ready to be picked up and sent to an Amazon warehouse.
And there you have it. You successfully learned how to send your first product to the Amazon FBA facility. It's time to start your journey as an Amazon seller and watch your business grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Seller Universe for valuable tips and insights. See you in the next video.